I think the philosophy is we only handle personal injury cases. In personal injury, I lump in everything that's considered, whether it's pharmaceutical litigation or wrongful death or auto accidents, truck accidents, instances where people have been hurt because someone else did something that was wrong. Whether it was negligence or recklessness or even intentional conduct, we try to help those people who have been hurt, who can't pay their bills, who are getting medical bills that they can't pay for. A lot of times they can't work, they can't walk, they can't think. They've had brain injuries where they can't do the work that they used to do, and so that's what we do. We're compensated by what's called a contingency fee, and a contingency fee allows people who can't pay attorneys to pay the attorney after the case is done. So really what it does is it creates a contract between the attorney and the injured person, whereby the injured person says, look, I can't afford to pay you right now. There's no way I can pay you hundreds of dollars an hour. I'm getting all these medical bills. I can't go to work because I'm so hurt. But I need a lawyer. I need someone to protect my rights, to make sure that my rights, that I get to seek redress from this person who did me wrong. And so what we do is there's a contract, it's called a contingency fee, and we only get paid if we successfully resolve the claim, and we only get paid after the case is settled or comes to some sort of a conclusion and it's successful. I think almost anyone who's injured in an accident and has to go to a doctor or has wage loss or anything like that should at least know what their rights are. Look, you're dealing with insurance companies who have a lot of lawyers, and they're well-paid lawyers, and they know exactly what their rights are. They know every single right they possibly could have. And now you as a layperson, if you get injured, to go up against this insurance company without at least knowing what your rights are and being represented, I think it's not wise. We have a great success rate. And not only do we have a great success rate, most of our cases settle before, a vast majority of our cases settle before a lawsuit ever gets filed. And so really it's just a matter of gathering information, working out things with the client, and presenting a well-organized argument to the insurance company and then settling the case. And so a vast majority of our cases are resolved that way. The people who really can't afford attorneys are people like you and me, families. If you had to go out and hire an attorney for $200, $300, $400 an hour, and the attorney had to spend $20, $30, $100, sometimes thousands of hours on your case, there would be no way that the little guy, the ordinary family, could afford to hire an attorney. And so, yeah, we take great pride in representing little people, individuals like me, like you, like my family, and we go up against companies and governments and insurance companies, and yeah, we represent the little guy.